Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Resta Desladina. You can call me Resta. With ID number is 1212020212 in English for Islamic Education course with the theme is Islamic Education and Technology Improvement. Globalization has triggered a tendency to shift in the world of education from conventional face-to-face education to education that is more open, rational, future-oriented. Forward, open, respecting, time creative, independent, and innovative. The era in which the global village will be born, which is said to be the word of the year, namely the era of information technology. Like the flexible learning project in France about education without school or deschooling society, which literally, in the extreme, teachers are no longer needed. Bishop in 1989 predicted that future education will be flexible, open, and accessible to anyone who needs it, regardless of type, age, or previous education and educational experience. Information technology in the era of globalization is developing rapidly according to a geometric progression, which makes human life easier without losing his humanity. Education is an information activity and can be disseminated to the next generation of a nation through information technology, capable of turning challenge into opportunities and mastering various methods of problem solving. Mason R. in 1994 argued that future education will be defined more by innovation, by information, a network that enable interaction and collaboration rather than by school buildings. Tony Bates in 1995 stated that technology can increase quality and reach when used wisely for education and training and has a very important meaning for economic prosperity. Meanwhile, Alice Jahabana I in 1966 suggested that the education and training approach will be just on time. The next teaching technique will be two-way, collaborative, and interdisciplinary, allows students to be active in all forms of learning activities within school and outside of school, and with this development, demand for developing knowledge is increasingly become a necessity. This is because the problems that arise in this era of globalization are much more complex and require a more diverse and accommodating response. Azra, 1999 and 11. The influence of education globalization in the future will be more open and two-way, diverse, multidisciplinary, and related to work productivity and competitiveness. In the future life, the information technology and the telecommunication sector is the most dominant sector, and those who master technology will become leader in the world. Thus, the big responsibility of school in entering the era of globalization is to prepare students to face challenges that are changing very quickly. One of those challenges faced by students is that being a qualified worker, being able to speak foreign language, computer and internet skill, and using programs such as Microsoft are the three main criteria as a requirement to enter the workforce in Indonesia and around the world. The inclusion of information technology material in Islamic education curriculum has a very important position as one of the learning media in operating the information, either in seeking or obtaining information, so that students will quickly get ideas and experience from various circles, will develop an attitude of innovative and learning abilities. Independent, able to decide and consider the use of information technology appropriately and optimally, including its implication in the future. Information technology as an education quality enhancer. To be able to take advantage of information technology in improving the quality of Islamic education, there are three things that must be realized. Namely, 1. Student and teacher must have access to digital technology and the internet in classrooms, schools, and teacher education institutions. 2. There must be quality, meaningful, and culturally supportive material for student and teacher. 3. The teacher must have knowledge and skills in using digital tools and resources to help students achieve academic standards. In line with the rapid development of information technology, there has been a shift in pace about learning both in the classroom and outside the classroom. In the traditional view, the learning process is seen as something that is difficult, because the learning process still emphasizes the ability of educator and is stagnant in the SK and KD given a word to fill student deficiencies, a process of transferring and receiving information, individual or solitary processes. Learning only describes the subject matter to small and isolated units, a linear process. In the line with the development of information technology, the view of learning has changed, namely as natural process, social process, active and passive process, linear and or linear process, and integrative and a contextual process. Activities based on student strengths, skills, interests, and culture models. Activities that are assessed based on the fulfillment of tasks, the equation of results, and solving real problems both individually and in groups. This has changed the role of the teacher and the role of student in learning. While the change can be explained as follows: the role of the teacher has changed from the transmitter of knowledge, the main source of information, material expert, and the source of all answers, the being a learning facilitator, trainer, collaboration, and collaborators, knowledge navigators, and learning partners, from controlling and directing all aspects of learning, becoming more giving more the alternative and responsibility that each student in the learning process. The role of student has changed from passive recipient of information become active participant, reveal knowledge to be producing knowledge. Learning as an education and individual activity or solitary becomes collaborative learning. Teacher-centered learning environment has shifted to become teacher-centered on student. The role of the teacher in the above learning as a provider of information must shift to become a learning manager with a number of specific roles, because the teacher is not the only source of information but only one source of information. In his book Reinventing Education, Louis V. Germer, Jr. et al. 1995 state that in the future the roles of teacher will expand, namely teacher as coach, counselor, learning managers, participants, leaders, learners, and the author. Teachers are the key in improving the quality of education, which is oriented to the achievement of the quality of student. So improving the quality of education in school system becomes meaningless if it is not accompanied by professional teachers. Surya 2000. Thus, it can be concluded that the professionalism of teacher can be measured in terms of its activities with the scope of information technology, which is a source of creativity and development of ongoing education. Therefore, in developing professional teacher, a teacher is not only required to strengthen disciplinary abilities, but more than that, he is required to have interdisciplinary qualities. There must be a different approach for different specialist disciplines. Information technology plays a role as a key technology or enabler technology. The development of information technology can improve performance and enable various activity to be carried out quickly, precisely, and accurately, including in the world of education. With the very rapid development of information technology, like it or not ready, there will be more rapid flow of information with all its positive and negative impacts to Indonesian society, especially in the field of Islamic education, which is felt to be increasingly lagging behind. The development of information technology saw the emergence of various types of activities based on this technology, including in the world of education, such as the use of e-learning, e-library, e-education, e-mail, e-laboratory, and others. Scholars say that education in the future, with the influence of globalization, will be open and two-way, diverse, multidisciplinary, and competitive. Thus, in the future, the information technology and telecommunication sector will be the most dominant sector. Whoever controls it will become a leader in his work. That's all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.